All right, guys, so we just got the release of the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement 88s, or whatever you want to call them. And they went fairly quickly, in my opinion, man. Let me give you guys a little bit of backstory about the sneaker, go over a couple of details, go over the, the big elephant in the room, no pun intended, as far as the quality control. And we're gonna wrap this thing up with an on feet, man. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video. What's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. Real quick before we even get any further, I know everybody want to get off their chest, get off their sleeve, man. What happened with your Air Jordan 3 White Cement day? Did you get a W? Did you take an L? How did it go? I know there's a lot of people in a couple of my recent videos saying that they tripled up on the sneaker. I'm like, yo, I only got one pair and I got lucky via the exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app. And that was a totally different story today on the drop. So subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content, and follow it up with a huge like. I can't wait to read you guys' comments, and I can't wait to throw these things on feet and show y'all what these things is hitting for, man. All right, guys, so the Air Jordan 3 White Cements today went fairly quickly, man. It went very quickly, and I entered on 3 separate accounts. I went from my homie size, and I feel bad that I struck out, and I went for another couple of size 9s on 3 different accounts, and guess what? There was all L's, man. I'm talking about 0 for 3 today on the drop. I didn't try on Dick's Sporting Goods. I didn't try anywhere else. Kind of seeing how the energy was going from yesterday's Flex app results. I'm talking about I entered on 2 stores in my local area, on Foot Locker and Champ Sports, and guess what? Your boy took 2 L's yesterday as well, man. So I was lucky and fortunate enough to hit on the exclusive access. And like I said, I want to know how you guys' release went. They went quick. I know the resale is kind of sitting around that $300 price range. I don't think that they're going to go up too much more. And I think that next week when people start getting their pairs, resale will actually go down a little bit, in my honest opinion, because people going to be dumping pairs off. They don't really want them. They just want to make a couple of dollars, man. So let's go ahead and break into the box, man. Check it out. You got that all over kind of, reimagined theme box with the, worn out look, the age look. And they've been running with this reimagined look ever since Lost and Founds. Like I said, man, we have a lot more of the reimagineds coming out. And bam, man, there we have them, the Air Jordan 3 White Cements. And like I said, the big elephant in the room is the quality control issues that people have been seeing with their pairs. And the main thing that it is, the elephant print on the toe box and on the heel. Some pairs are lighter, some pairs are darker. Some pairs have a higher cut on the elephant print on the toe box. Some have a lower cut. It's just all over the place. It's super inconsistent, and people have made that very aware in my recent videos where I talked about how Nike kind of dropped the ball, kind of disappointed a lot of people with the quality on this pair. And since we are doing a review, I want to keep it 100 with you guys. One of the homies hit me up before I tried on feet on, and he asked, how is my sizing on the Air Jordan 3 White Cements? And honestly, after I put on both sneakers, the left shoe felt a lot tighter than the right shoe. I don't know what that was about. It's like my toe was literally at the toe box on the left pair, and on the right pair, they're really loose. Like, it feel like a normal size 9, because I'm honestly a size 8.5 in my Air Jordan 3s, but size 9 fits perfect. But this shoe over here felt like a goddamn size 8, if I'm being honest, man. This right here felt like a regular size 9. I don't know what's going on with the sizing. I just want to put that out there. It's not just the, the quality hits as far as the detail of the sneaker. It's actually the mold and the sizing of the shoe that is, overall kind of bad on Nike's end. Nonetheless, man, I do want to say that this is still my favorite shoe. I'm still going to get 2 pairs eventually. Hopefully that resale drop a little bit to that $280 price range. I don't mind spending $280, but over that, I'm probably going to stick with the pair that I got for retail, man. But the crazy hits on the back, you guys know you got that Age Nike Air tab, that Age midsole going all around, which contrasts perfectly with that all-white upper, that tumble leather, man. Even check out the toe box. I wore these only one time today, threw on a couple different pants, and I already have some creasing starting. So I thought the leather was pretty good, like the Fire Red 3s, but they are really not. It's kind of, like I said, it's a mid quality, if I'm being honest. Of course, you got your red Jumpman on the tongue right here, along with your red hits on the lacing system. And then checking out the bottom, you have the red Nike. You still got that Age like kind of outsole look with the red pot up front. On the left shoe, you got your Nike Air tag, no chain with this one. Just your regular little plastic, attachment right there. And overall, like I said, man, still my favorite shoe of the year. It's still dope. I'm kind of disappointed with, you know, some of the hits and some of the details that came with this shoe. I know you guys can see it just like that. Like, look at the differences in the color. It's crazy, but it's still my favorite shoe. So don't make me, you know, I don't want to seem like I'm complaining. I'm just keeping it real with you guys, let you know what to expect when you get your pair. I want you guys to let me know how your pairs came. I know some people said that their pairs was perfect, so I was hoping to get a better pair today. You know what I'm saying? A crispy pair to put on ice and definitely beat these bad boys up right here. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Go ahead and drop all your comments, thoughts, and opinions over the Air Jordan 3 White Cement, the free throw line Air Jordan 3s, whatever you want to call them. It's a lot of history behind this sneaker right here, and I cannot wait to read you guys' comments. Spam them likes, subscribe, hit the notification bell like I said, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into a clean on feet over these Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, man. Let's get right into it.